What's up everybody, this is me Samira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have attempted to do a realistic sunset in oil pastels, so let's begin. Lately I've been getting a lot of questions regarding the material I use and the colors I use and how I'm able to blend, etc, etc. So I'm going to answer those questions first. The paper that I'm using today is a normal A4 drawing paper which is of 150 GSM. Usually I prefer to use watercolor paper for any bigger projects like these, but today I just felt like doing it on a normal paper because that would do for the amount of layers that I'm going to be using. And the colors that I'm using are the Mungyo Gallery it's the Mungyo Gallery Artist Soft Oil Pastels, and I'll give a detailed list of the shades that I have used in this video in the description box below. Please go through the description box below so that you'll know what shades I have used in this particular painting. In this video, I do not want to narrate the process of making this painting because this is not a beginner-centric tutorial as such. It is more like a time-lapse or a process video of me making this realistic looking sunset. The main focus was the sky, the clouds, and also the texture that was to be created on the clouds. So yes, this video is fast paced because the original footage was around 2.5 hours, and even if I want to edit and make it around 1 hour, it will be too long for anyone to watch. So yes, if you do want a longer version of this video, let me know. I'll probably post it again. Another question that a lot of people ask me is how I managed to blend so well with oil pastels. The answer is pretty simple. If you go for good brands of oil pastel that have a lot of oil content in them, then it is easier to blend. Even I am planning to upgrade my oil pastels to use the higher end ones, which are obviously very easy to blend and they have that beautiful texture. But if you're using the student grade or the entry level oil pastels, then it is a very challenging task to blend the oil pastels. You'll have a lot of white gaps left. You need to apply a lot of pressure to blend, and if you're using tissue paper to blend, then be careful because all the pastel layer gets scraped off and you'll only be left with a mere pigment on the paper, which is as good as using soft pastels or color pencils for the work. Alright, so those are the things that I wanted to address, and I hope some of your questions have been answered. Please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video, and give me your feedback in the comments down below. I would love to know your feedback. There are a couple of things that I wanted to talk about, but I decided not to talk about them in this video because we have a lot of new viewers watching content day by day, and it is not a good idea to talk about them in this video. But all I wanted to say is that thank you so much for supporting me all this while, even though I wasn't making much content on YouTube. As of now, I will be taking a small break from YouTube, which means I will be posting content like this maybe once in a month or probably even longer than that, because right now I have shifted my focus to something else. I have decided to dedicate my time to education and career development, because this is the high time where I focus on those aspects as well. But I will definitely try to keep my channel alive because I am ever so grateful about my channel and I'm very proud to where it is today. This channel means a lot to me and you guys mean a lot to me. I've put in my blood, sweat and tears into the making of this channel. A lot of effort and creativity and sleepless nights went into the making of this channel. So I will never end it, but I might be taking some break and focusing on other things like I said before. but I hope you support me with my decision. But like I said, I would like to talk about a number of things. Maybe I should start a different channel for it, dedicated solely to sharing or expressing my feelings. Because I just figured out that this isn't the platform or this isn't the right time to talk about them, because I have a lot of younger audience watching my videos and I don't want to talk about anything in this channel. Let's just keep this channel a happy place. But yes, lately I've been busy and I've also gone through a lot of hurdles, and now I'm doing better. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video.